Eat.
Can you do it?
Do it.
No, you can't have that. Here,
Try the spoon.
take the spoon. Open up.
Yep.
You want it? Get the spoon.
Get the spoon. I'll show you.
Look, watch Daddy.
I'll show you.
Mommy eat.
Mm. Mm.
No, you eat
Eat
it.
it. Clara. Clara, eat.
Can you eat it? Come on, you can do it. That's the wrong side. Uh-oh. Here. You're all done? Here. Eat. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Eat. I know, that's Luna. You want to eat? Dog. Dog. I know, I see her. Have your spoon. Hmm? You don't know how to do it anymore? Did you forget? Here, Mommy eat. Look, Mommy ate off the spoon. You have applesauce on your hand. That's what you're looking at. Want some? Green bean? Green bean. Oh. Green beans. Whoops, get it in there. Tasty green beans. Wrong side. Flip it around. Flip it around. Good girl. Oh, what's on there? Can you take a bite? Can you take a bite? Oh, wrong end.
Wrong end. Flip it over.
Hi. There it goes. Yay! Yummy! Spoon handle. Thank you. You want some more on it? You ready? Want to take a bite? Here. Want to take a bite? Yay! Good girl! Bite. That's good. Can I do it again?
Give it to Mommy.
Can I fill it up?
Give it to Mommy.
Thank you. Here, fill it up.
Good
Ready?
girl.
Here we go.
Eat.
Yay! Good girl!
Good girl.
Oh, another
More.
one? Okay, more. Can you sign more? More. More. Good girl.
Yeah. Have some?
Want some more? Take a bite. More.
More.
Bite. Go ahead, take a bite. No? I'm gonna fling it somewhere? Okay. Take a bite. Oh, wrong end. Flip it around. Flip it around. This end. Mmm. Good girl. All right, are we all done? No? Still experimenting?
Does it feel good?
Yay!
Good girl. Good girl.
Mm.
Good